Hi, I'm Rich Bindell from the Alex Renew Communications team. For Water Discovery Week, I created a virtual loop bike ride to encourage you to get on your bike and check out some features of our local water infrastructure and waterways. In some ways, we'll be following the path that water takes. We'll be riding through several neighborhoods in Alexandria, and we'll even pass some spots that offer beautiful views of the Potomac River. As always, please abide by all local cycling traffic laws, bring plenty of water, and be safe on your ride at all times. Are you ready? Let's ride! Welcome to our 4-mile run pump station. Have you ever wondered about these little buildings? Pump stations pump dirty water up to a higher elevation so it can travel by gravity and continue on its journey to our plant for treatment. This pump station is special. It includes an educational fence with exhibits that teach residents about how some of our water infrastructure works, including our pump stations. Welcome to the Potomac Yard Pump Station. At Alex Renew, we're always planning for the future. At the time that this particular pump station was created, it was meant to accommodate the population growth in Alexandria. When Alex Renew began its operation in 1956, then known as the Alexandria Sanitation Authority, we processed 18 million gallons of dirty water per day. Today, Alex Renew treats an average of 35 million gallons of dirty water per day. Let's keep rolling. We're going to follow Mainline Avenue as it splits off from Potomac Avenue, cross over Route 1, head south towards Old Town, making a left at Wythe Avenue so we can head straight into Orinoco Bay Park. Now we've arrived at the location for Outfall I, a 6-foot by 7-foot combined sewer that runs below Pendleton Street, just off the shoreline of the southern part of Orinoco Bay Park. This sewer connects to a smaller pipe called an interceptor at the intersection of Union Street, which transfers sewage to the south for about 2 miles before reaching Alex Renew, where it's cleaned and returned to the river. During most rainfall events, this interceptor reaches capacity, causing a mixture of rainwater and sewage, called combined sewage, to overflow into the Potomac River. This overflow happens just on the other side of the wooden boardwalk at the end of Pendleton Street. On average, there are about 50 overflow events each year that cause the pollution to the Potomac River and its tributaries. To fix this problem, Alex Renew is building a new tunnel and sewer infrastructure across the city of Alexandria. The new 2-mile-long, 12-foot diameter tunnel will be located over 100 feet underground, starting at Alex Renew and terminating here at the Robinson Terminal North site. Once construction is complete, Pendleton Street will be extended as a beautiful new waterfront promenade for Alexandrians to enjoy while deepening their connection to Alexandria's waterways. Be sure to check out Alex Renew's Facebook page when you get home for a sneak peek of what's to come. For now, let's follow the path of our new tunnel and continue on our ride to the next stop. Alex Renew supports the City of Alexandria's commitment to healthier waterways, which includes creating sustainable green infrastructure like living shorelines. A living shoreline is a shoreline management practice that provides erosion control and water quality benefits, protects, restores, or enhances natural shoreline habitat, and maintains coastal processes throughout the strategic placement of plants, stone, sandfill, and other structural and organic materials. Did you know that the City of Alexandria created a living shoreline right here at Windmill Park? You can learn more by visiting Alexandria Living magazine. As we continue this part of our ride, we'll be following the Potomac River shoreline as it heads south towards Jones Point Park. There are wonderful views of the river along the way, so please take some time to enjoy them. About half of the River Renew Tunnel being constructed is routed under the Potomac River. And at Jones Point Park, it will turn east and follow Interstate 495, where it will connect to Outfall II, which sits at the South Royal Street cul-de-sac. Just like our last stop, rain events caused the same interceptor to reach capacity, sending combined sewage directly into Hunting Creek, about 100 yards south of here. Upon completion, new sewer facilities will also be constructed just inside the wooded area to the east of the cul-de-sac within Jones Point Park. From here, the tunnel will continue east along I-495 for another half-mile until it reaches Alex Renew. We've now reached the Jamison Street Bridge and the final 2 outfalls, number 3 and 4. If you look north towards Duke Street, Outfall 3 overflows into the Hoofs Run culvert under Duke Street. Outfall 4 is directly in front of you. Look for the large iron gate and the square-shaped pipe running along the right side of Hoofs Run. Just like our last 2 stops, most rain events cause overflow events, polluting Hoofs Run. Here, instead of a tunnel, a new 6-foot diameter sewer will capture and transport overflows to Alex Renew, which is about half a mile behind you to the south. After construction, Hoof's Run will be restored in its entirety, including restoration of the natural stream channel, creation of new habitat, native plantings, and a new boardwalk trail that will connect Jameson Avenue to Eisenhower Circle. As we finish up our tour, let's follow the new pipeline from Hoof's Run to Alex Renew. Our last stop before heading back to close the loop on our waterways tour is Alex Renew's water cleaning campus. 1800 Limerick Street is home to our water treatment plant and our Platinum LEED certified environmental center and educational lobby. We're used to giving tours of our spaces. Since we're unfortunately unable to do so right now, please keep an eye out on our Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube channels for videos that offer virtual tours. Alex Renew's wastewater treatment facility is where the new tunnel and sewer will bring all of the combined sewage from the outfalls we visited. A new pumping station extending 13 stories below ground will lift and capture combined sewage to the surface, where it will be routed through Alex Renew's treatment processes. You can see that we're currently under construction now to make way for the new facilities. You can learn a lot more by visiting riverrenew.com. To head to the finish line, we'll make our way through John Carlisle Square, make a left on Duke Street, a right on Diagonal Road, and a left onto Commonwealth Avenue, which will take you all the way back to our 4-mile run pump station again. We hope you enjoyed today's ride. Alexandria's water system and waterways are something we should all take pride in. Our community is directly connected to the Potomac River, a beautiful body of water that provides us with our most important natural resource. This tour was designed to help you appreciate our waterways, as well as the important infrastructure that we use to keep them clean and safe. See you on the next ride.